Hello everyone, this is Anagha here, and today I'll be showing you pepper prawn Maggi or pepper prawn noodle. The noodle which I'm using here is atta noodle. This is of Maggi. Okay, and you can use the normal noodle also. To make it more healthier, I'm using here atta noodle. So let's get started. First, we need to boil the noodle. Add water. Let this water get boiled. Next we'll add the noodle. As we can see, the water is boiling now, and this is the Maggi which I am using, wheat Maggi, and this is the taste maker which generally will be available with a sachet. This I'll be using for later. So first we need to get this Maggi boiled. Boil in a sense you have to keep for maybe for a minute, not more than that. And also we need to add a spoon of oil to ensure it doesn't stick. Make sure you don't break this Maggi noodle, okay, or noodle. Just open this one like this and then let it cook for a minute. The Maggi is cooked. Now we have to drain the excess water. I have drained the excess water, and now a spoon of oil, and roughly just grease it so that it doesn't stick. And take this in a platter or a bowl and keep it aside. I suggest take a platter because in a bowl it might stick, so a platter is good to ensure it is separate. Okay, so I have taken a plate and just grease it with little oil and keep it aside. I have taken a wok. You have to take something which is a little deep so that it mixes well. So a little of oil, and once it gets warm enough, we can add the next ingredient. So now the oil is warm enough. Add sliced onion. I've used one onion here. Next we are going to add carrot beans I've used here. Few mushrooms. These are cooked mushrooms. and prawns. These are cooked prawns. I've just boiled with a little salt and a pinch of pepper. Next we are going to add black pepper, fresh pepper. You have to add in good quantity because this is the main ingredient of this particular dish. The pepper enhances the flavor and gives a nice taste. Next I'm going to add soya sauce. I have used dark soya sauce here. Next, tomato sauce. I'm adding a teaspoon of water to ensure it is not burned. I'm not adding green chili paste or red chili paste, as the pepper will do the work. In case if you need more spicy, you can add those two ingredients. And finally, the noodles. I'm adding this last, the taste maker. You can use the regular taste maker also. I'm using the one which they have provided in this packet. Switch off the flame and it's ready to serve. Now to serve, let's plate this noodle. Next, I'm going to add few slices of boiled egg. And finally some spring onions. So here the pepper Maggi noodle is ready. I hope you like it, and if you have, do hit the like button and do subscribe. And this is my evening snacker for today. So thank you.